Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's try this problem right here. Here we have a differential equation and the question is asking find a particular solution. Now let's see how we can find it, right? Now the first thing we have to do is we have to separate this x and y and do the integration. Now if you notice we have all mixed up. Let's separate this one. So let's bring this y to this side and see what we get. So here we are going to have y times y plus 2 and the dy remains in this side, and if we bring this one to this side we already have an x right here, and if I bring this one to this side that's going to be x square minus x plus 2. Also we have a dx, so we can bring that one to this side too, right? Now after we bring this one to this side we can do the integration, but before we do the integration let's simplify this one furthermore. Like we can multiply everything by y, right? So this is going to become y square over, not y square over, just y square, y square plus 2y dy, right? And in the other side we are going to have x cubed minus x square plus 2x dx. Now let's do the integration. So if you integrate this one, right, we are going to get y cubed divided by 3 plus 2y square divided by 2, and in the other side we are going to have x power 4 divided by 4 minus x cubed divided by 3 plus 2x square divided by 2, and also we have to put a constant. Now if you notice we can cancel some of these values. 2 cancels and this 2 cancels, and we are left with this one. Now this is going to be our final answer. Y cubed divided by 3 y plus y square equal to x power 4 over 4 minus x cubed divided by 3 plus x square plus constant. But when they say find a particular solution, we have to find out this c. So that's why we have this information provided. If you notice y is equal to 1 equal to 2. So if you want to substitute this one, so here we have y is equal to 1 equal to 2. This 1 represents x value and this 2 represents y value. Now to find this c value, what we have to do is we have to plug this x value and y value and find out, solve for c. Now let's plug all the values and see what we get, right? Now let's start with this one, y cube. So we know that y is equal to 2. Now let's continue this one right here, right? Instead of y cube I put 2 cube divided by 3 plus 2 square, and in the other side we have everything is going to be 1 because x is 1. So this is going to be 1 power 4 over 4 minus 1 cube over 3 plus 1 square plus constant. Now if you simplify this one, 2 cube is 8, so this is going to be 8 over 3 plus 4, and in the other side we are going to have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus constant. Now let's try to bring this one to one side. So here we have 8 over 3, and if I bring this one to this side it's going to be minus, right? Minus 1, and that will make this one plus 3 because 4 minus 1, that's going to be 3. Now let's try to combine these two. If we take the common denominator, this is going to be 12, and if I take 12 common denominator, this is going to be 3 minus 4, and also we have c remaining, and then we have 8 over 3 plus 3, and in the other side we are going to have minus 1 over 12 plus constant. Now let's bring everything to one side. 8 over 3 plus 3 plus 1 over 12 is equal to c. Now here we can take 12 as our common denominator. So if I take 12 as my common denominator, this is going to be multiplied by 4, right? Now instead of multiplying, we can put the values directly. 12, if I take 12, this is going to be multiplied by 4, right? So 8 times 4 is going to be 36. And then this is going to be multiplied by 12. 3 times 12, that's going to be 8 times 4, 32, right? This is 32. 12, this is going to be 32. and 12 times 3, that's going to be 36, and this one remains right here, that is equal to C. And 32 plus 36, that's going to be 68, and 69, right, plus 1, that's 69. 69 divided by 12 is going to be equivalent to C. Now we can simplify this one with 3. We can divide both by 3, and that's going to give us 23 over 4 is equal to C. Now that's the value we are going to substitute instead of this C, right? Now we can write our final answer as y cube over 3 plus y square is equal to x power 4 over 4 minus x cube over 3 plus x square plus, instead of c we replace with this value, plus 23 over 4, and this is going to be our final answer, and that's our particular solution, right? And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.